Hi guys, it's the Shepherd's Blended family here.
Hello.
Today we have a fun video, one we like to do. It's Snack Crate Day.
Snack Crate Day.
This one is from the United States. Everyone they send, it always has a little sticker of the flag, and it's
Really cool.
United States. And it's filled to the top like the last one. And if this is your first, and if this is your first video of Snack Crate and you don't know what it is, it's a monthly
Subscription.
it's a monthly
Subscription. I don't know what happened. I tell you, or something.
pay anyway. And they send you a box every month from around the world. So the first month we had was Korea, and now we have the United States. So we're gonna try it out. Who wants to pick first?
Me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Maya picks first, and then Hazel. So which one do you want to
Wait,
pick
hold on.
first?
Who won it?
Me.
Maya won.
She won. She had the paper. Who you had? The rock.
Yeah.
Well, rock rips through paper.
Paper covers rock.
Well, rock rips through. Who made this up?
I don't know.
God.
You want to try this one?
Yeah, it's just potato chips. Like
What's
I
this
said.
called? Potato
It's
chips.
called
What is it called?
cheese baked crab root 11 potato chips.
Okay. Route
Show the
11
camera. Show
potato
the
chips.
camera.
Show the camera. There you go. It says it is from Virginia, and these are crab flavored chips. Take all the good flavors from all crab boil and put them in a chip. I like crab.
Well,
I never
I guess we
tasted
gotta
crab.
take a try and see what this tastes like, y'all. So
I never tasted crab, so.
I'm gonna open this up. It's saying salty and spicy like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get.
Get one.
Take a sniff first.
What it smell like?
Smell plain like nothing. Smell like just cooking oil. Alright. Let's go, y'all.
Put your hand out. We're gonna try it at the same time.
Alright. We're gonna try one chip just in case it's bad.
Yes, one chip.
One.
Oh, these actually smell like potato chips.
Cause they're
But they are
potato
potato chips.
They taste like,
Alright, y'all.
I'm scared.
Y'all ready? 1, 2,
Smell like
3.
Lori's teeth.
Taste. This tastes like wood.
Tastes like salt.
There.
It's good.
Hey,
You like it? To me, it tastes like a potato chip, a little thick potato chip with Lori's seasoning.
you know what? New Orleans have this chips that's famous. It's called Zaps. And it tastes exactly like Zaps potato chips.
I don't like it. Hazel likes it.
Yeah.
So I guess this is gonna be her bag of chips.
Yeah. Not so good. Okay, next.
Next, Hazel gets to pick. Which one do you want? Don't take all day. I'm gonna pick for you. That one. Okay. Here, hold it to the camera.
All right.
It looks like Twizzlers.
All right. The next snack.
Is red vine.
Red vines.
Red Vines. It looks like Twizzlers. So I'm going to show you guys close up. Red Vines. It's nothing but a form of a Twizzler. Okay, I'm coming back.
I'm gonna read it. It says it's from California.
Okay.
These red licorice ropes have been a fan favorite for generations for those on the West Coast. So let's get a little taste of what the West Coast like.
Okay. All right. Well, let's see what happens. All right. Dig in. Grab one twist.
Grab one Hazel.
One twist.
It does look like a Twizzler.
One twist.
Ready?
One
Hold on.
twist.
And here's what it actually looks like.
Looks
It looks just like a Twizzler, but it's thicker and has like a little air inside, like a air pocket.
Okay, one. Hold on.
Twizzlers are more flat.
Yeah, these and it feel like.
Chocolate
Oh,
brown.
I thought I felt sugar, but no. Okay, but
It
anyway.
smells like Play-Doh.
Yeah. Oh Lord, it smells like a candle.
Right.
Candle wax. We're gonna try it out. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Mm.
It tastes like.
This is absolutely disgusting.
It tastes like strawberries.
This just tastes like a piece of plastic. I mean,
It's like a piece of plastic with a hint of licorice.
yeah.
Like the licorice
Right, like a
taste.
candle wax. Like if you have weird fetishes and eating candle wax, and this would you.
I don't like it.
Not
I
good
do
to
like
be-
it.
Hazel likes it.
It has like a gum aftertaste. Like you
No,
taste
it-
gum or something.
It's Dad, do you like it?
What?
Maya don't like it.
Nope, don't like it. No, disgusting.
They don't like it.
Yeah,
Hazel likes 2 at the same time. You want to eat? No.
yeah, I'm not gonna finish it.
All right. Next up, Babe's
Oh.
gonna pick.
Dad is gonna pick.
Of course, I'm from New Orleans, so guess what I picked? A New Orleans style praline. Especially because I have my own praline business, and
Coming soon.
this brand is Aunt Sally's creamy, chewy.
Aunt
praline.
Sally's pralines. Go ahead.
I'm gonna show you the packaging, just in case you're big fans of Aunt Sally. Wait, let me get closer. Oh, there you go. Yep, Aunt Sally's pralines.
Let's see what they say. It says, from Louisiana, nothing celebrates the French influence of New Orleans than an Aunt Sally's praline. So,
All right.
let's give it a try. Maya can't eat it because she's allergic to all tree nuts, so she can't have this
Fake.
one.
She's allergic to all nuts.
I have
Yep.
peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts too.
All right, this don't have an easy care, so I'm just gonna have to make it easy and
Use
care.
your muscles then.
Ah, there you go. I had to hawk it. All right. Let's show you what this looks like. This looks like it's like a hunk of caramel, but not caramel, but it looks like caramel. So, oh, I know you're tempted. You want a bite, don't you?
Put that in the video.
Who not?
I am.
Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Can you tear it?
They got just got a little piece of nut. Here you go, Hazel. Want a little piece of this chewy?
Maya can't have any of it.
Here you go, Hazel. Your piece, chewy.
They cook it with pecans, so she.
Here you go, baby. Well, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna get a big piece.
What y'all say?
You know you want a big piece of this. It's
I
pretty.
love praline.
A little sticky, but
And it's in it. It's soft. Oh my god.
all right.
Yeah, I
it's
never
really
had it.
soft.
Smell it.
Okay.
I had it.
Okay. Try it out.
It's not bad.
It's good.
It's good.
Actually, good.
Just like that, it's really good.
Yep. I like it.
It's good. I like it. I'm not really into like a lot of sweets right now because of the pregnancy, but it's good. It's Aunt Sally's pralines.
Thumbs up.
I
Mm.
My turn.
I get the picnic. Please don't.
That's
Really?
good.
I want to go with this one because it looks like a honey bun.
I know. No.
It is the. What is
This
this?
is Joey's Loving Every Bite, black and white pie. I would say it's just saying black and white.
I'm gonna read it in here.
I mean, I guess Michael Jackson inspired this for this black or white song. So
It's actually just called Black and White. It is from New York. This is a soft sponge cake-like shortbread which is iced on one half with vanilla and the other half with chocolate. So it sounds good. I like shortbread. I like chocolate. I like vanilla.
I
Okay.
want
Try it out.
Can
All right.
Have
all right,
chocolate.
let's try it. We're gonna try both sides.
Aw.
You have to try both sides.
Purpose of the video. All right, we're gonna start with the vanilla white looking side and just see what happens. There you go. Piece for you. Yeah. Okay. Piece for you. Piece for you. Piece for me. All right, we're gonna give it a shot, y'all.
Smells good.
No, it doesn't.
Smells strange.
It does.
Ugh, this
Yes,
smells.
it does.
It smells like.
Let's eat it.
It doesn't smell like a cake. I thought it was gonna smell like a cake.
Mm.
Oh my god. That is disgusting.
It's very, very, very sweet.
That is good.
It's too sweet.
It just tastes weird. Like I can taste. It doesn't taste like anything I ever tasted before, and I mean that. We're gonna try the chocolate side. And see what that tastes like. Wait, chocolate. See what the chocolate side tastes like, and then we can let you guys know
Water.
what our opinions are. Okay, let's eat it. Chocolate. Damn,
It's sticky.
like sticky like glue. Like a glue pie.
I got mine.
Alright, pick it up.
Pick
Pick
it
it
up.
up. Put it on a napkin.
Don't drop
It
this.
smells good. More the icing. It just smells like chocolate.
You're right. The icing smells. This icing smells better. It smells like chocolate.
Yeah, it smells like
It smells like chocolate.
chocolate cake.
give it a Yeah.
Alright, y'all. 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
The chocolate side is a little better than the white side because to me the chocolate side makes you feel like okay, at least you're eating something
It's eating
like
chocolate.
chocolate, but I still don't like it.
Yeah, it's this. Yeah, it's Joey's loving every bite black and white pie. Ugh.
I like
No
it.
for me.
No,
Yes for Hazel. Yes for Maya. No for me.
no for me. Definitely not for me. Okay. Ugh. Alright.
Pick now.
All right.
My turn.
Maya's turn.
That was good. Icy.
Y'all just taste sugar. That's all, y'all.
Like sugar.
Kids taste sugar. Next. The snack thingy we're gonna eat. I don't know what this is. It's like something weird. It's called a Abba Zubba. Abba Zubba. It's an Abba Zubba with real peanut butter. Abba Zubba. I'll let y'all see it. If y'all can pronounce it better than me, then kudos to you. What's that say? Abba Zubba. Candy bar with real peanut butter. Real, not the fake peanut butter. I don't know what that looks like, but it's real peanut butter.
Right. Okay, this is from California. Another one from California. And this is a taffy candy bar surrounding peanut butter. And it's been made since 1922. So
Wow, this is an old candy. This is an ancient candy. That's why it has a name like this. Abba Zubba. Very ancient. It's made with real peanut butter, but it's white. That's weird.
So I know we tried the pralines with pecans and Maya couldn't eat it, but Maya's allergy to tree nuts is just the tree nut in its original form. She can eat peanut butter, almond butter.
Yes.
She can eat the butter. So
Not
she's good.
peanut.
She can't eat the nut.
Okay, this is the bar. It's made with peanut butter, but it's like it's a really white, like a taffy. Well, I see
It's a
stuff
taffy.
in the inside. I think it's something inside of it. So we're gonna open this baby up and see what it tastes like. It's ripping like
It looks
plastic.
like Play-Doh.
Like plastic. Here you go, Maya. Piece for you, Hazel. Piece for
Doesn't smell
you.
like anything.
It doesn't.
I don't
Here
smell
you go, baby.
Thank you.
And for me.
peanut butter.
All right.
Here we go again with stuff
Oh.
smelling weird.
Okay, this one, I mean, I can smell the peanut butter once I pulled it apart. But before then, I couldn't smell anything. It smelled really plain. Like it doesn't have any
I
smell
can
at
smell
all.
something.
But I really don't have much to say about this candy, but except it's like a taffy texture. So what we're gonna do is just dig right in and tell you guys
I'm
what
gonna
we got.
break it and eat it in smalls because we have braces.
Yeah. So you gotta try to chew it around the braces without getting stuck. All right, here we go. Oh, that is very grippy.
Tastes like a peanut butter taffy.
Yeah.
If you're a fan of peanut butter and you just love peanut butter, you'll like this because it tastes like peanut butter.
You know what? It tastes exactly like the candy you get for Halloween in the orange twisty,
Yeah.
I
that
don't
peanut
like
butter type taste. Exactly like it. Right,
Right.
yeah, identical.
Mommy, ask me.
Take-
So I like it. Hazel, do you like it? It's okay.
Kinda.
She kinda. Maya, do you like it?
This.
Maya likes it. This one. Okay, give it
All
to
right.
Daddy. Let him show the
Let's
camera.
see. All right, Hazel picked this one, a cactus candy. Right off the back, it feels like a rubbery, gummy feel inside. So, we're gonna see what it is. Alcohol rub type of
This is
cactus.
called cactus candy. It's from Arizona, as you can see when he showed you what it looked like in the front.
Y'all know what
It's
the
a
package
gummy
looks like.
candy. It's made from extracted juices of the prickly
I'm gonna
pear
rip this
cactus.
thing open.
What it look like?
Looks pretty different, weird.
Show the camera.
This looks like a gummy type, smushy type of candy. I don't know what.
You need a knife to cut it?
Yeah, I probably have to cut this with a knife just to
No,
get
you're not
even
in
pieces.
the
Oh, there you go. Sorry about that. There we go. I'm in focus now. I
camera.
am in focus.
Go get a knife so you can cut
In,
it.
in 4 pieces, so we can test this out and see what it tastes like, because it looks like a gummy type of gummy bear and Jello all at the same time. It looks like a gummy bear jelly, a gummy Jello bear, whatever.
What?
All right, let's go, y'all. I'm gonna break this up. Here you go. Piece for you. Piece for
It
you.
smells like.
Piece for you. All right.
It smells good.
It smells actually.
It looks
That's
like
pretty
Jello.
It's like lime.
smells like a lemon lime.
Yeah.
I never spelled.
It looks like Jello. It looks
It's
exactly like
nice.
Jello on the inside, but a gummy bear on the outside. Let's see if I can let you see that. See, it's got like a Jello type look.
I've got too much salt.
Jello look.
I
Jello
don't know
look.
if this is salt or sugar.
Okay, y'all.
Let's try it.
Give it a shot. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Super sweet.
I don't like the texture.
Gummy bear Jello. Yeah.
It's too sweet.
It's entirely too sweet. This is definitely something kids will like, 100%, because it's sugar.
Good.
Children like sugar. They're like sugar addicts. That one was very sweet. I mean, it's not bad, but too sweet for me.
It's not bad, but not for me. I don't like it. Hazel likes it. Maya likes it, babe.
I would give it a thumbs up, but I wouldn't eat it again. Okay. The next, I guess, we're going to shy away from the sweets. Yes. And go with this Ruby Bay smoked seafood jerky. It's a king salmon jerky. I've never had salmon jerky before, but we're gonna try it. King salmon jerky. This is what it looks like in the packaging. Oh, there we go. Got it in focus for you guys to see.
This is
Ruby
from
Bay.
Alaska, and this is a jerky made from wild caught king salmon, and it's flavored with orange ginger.
Okay.
Okay.
Ginger. Let's test it out.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta cut this open. This is very hard plastic.
Smell the pack.
Woo!
It stinks. Let me
Jesus
smell.
Christ, smell like sardines in the can.
Let me smell.
Can you
Oh,
smell? Oh my god.
that made my stomach turn real fast.
Yeah, it doesn't smell very good at all. It smells like old fish.
Kinda.
Jerky
It smells,
stinks.
it
anyway.
smells kinda. Not bad.
Alright, I'm gonna pass this out
It
so
looks
we
like
can
bacon.
get into tasting it. It might be good, but it stinks.
I like jerky, so we're gonna see if I like salmon jerky.
Kind of hard to bite.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to bite. It seems like it's kind of harder than typical jerky. You know, like,
It definitely tastes like fish.
It tastes like bacon.
No, it doesn't.
tastes like smoked salmon.
It definitely tastes like what it is.
Yep.
Bacon.
I mean,
It's
Not-
not bad.
not bad. I'm not a big fan of jerky, especially a fish type jerky. But
No, not a fish jerky. I like it.
Small.
Hazel likes it. Maya.
Salty.
Maya likes
Real
it.
salty.
Babe,
Yep, it's good.
Babe likes it. So this one gets straight thumbs up across the board. All right, my turn. This is called Half Pops. Half Pops. Oh, I got that.
Half pops.
Yep, Half
Right.
Pops.
Half pops. If you could see that. See if I can get that in focus for you. It's like I don't know. It's like cereal, but simply sea
It's
salt.
from Arizona, and this is a popcorn that hasn't quite popped. All the way, giving it a chewy and nutty flavor.
So,
Okay, that sounds kinky.
so can I eat it?
Here you go. Get your half
Hold
pop.
on, wait. Read the back. See if the ingredients have like nuts mixed, you know, cause it said nutty flavor, so I want to know if it's.
Oh yes, we're gonna check the ingredients because, like we said before, Maya is allergic to tree nuts. So we're gonna check the ingredients. Where are they? Ingredients: 9 GMO popcorn, 9 GMO canola oil, and sea salt. That's it.
Okay, so she can eat it.
So it's no nuts or anything. It's
It
really
just-
only 2 ingredients, pretty much.
Yeah. It's probably just like an extract nutty.
It looks like popcorn.
It's like a popcorn seed, I guess.
Mom, this one.
All right, let's go. We're gonna give this a try and see what it tastes like. You ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Feel like I just chewed a rock. These are popcorn seed that
Yeah.
hasn't quite popped. They taste like the burnt seed that's left in the pot. That's pretty much all it is.
Have you-
Somebody just made a
Right.
snack out of it.
Like, have you ever popped popcorn and had it in the bowl and you actually didn't eat a popcorn
I
seed?
have pop seed.
That's what it tastes like.
That's pretty much all it is.
Kids like it.
Half pop popcorn.
I don't know.
And then it says sea salt, but it doesn't.
It don't taste like salt. It doesn't have a
Yeah.
nutty taste. None of that. None of the above. It just tastes like a burnt old popcorn that hasn't popped. That one was a thumbs down, definitely. That's something I would never ever buy. No.
All right, Maya.
Okay. That one.
This
Wait,
is-
we didn't rate it. Y'all, nobody rated it.
Oh, because I didn't like it.
Sit down.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Hazel. Hazel
Thumbs
likes
down.
it. Maya.
Yeah.
They don't like it.
I
What's that?
might just pick.
You might as well pick this because you can't eat that.
Next is something that doesn't have any name or anything. It's just a regular simple candy.
It's a key lime pie drop. So they probably like
It's a
this.
key lime pie drop. See that? See that? It's kind of green and white mixed.
This is from Florida, and it's a delicious bit of the Florida Keys and famous key lime goodness in a hard candy style, I guess.
All right, y'all. Let's open it up and give it a shot.
Look at that one.
I don't.
I can't smell anything right off the bat. Doesn't smell like anything.
No, it doesn't smell like.
Doesn't smell like key lime pie, anything. I guess you have to
Eat it.
wet it first.
Mm.
Tastes good. It tastes like a lime candy.
It's good. You don't like it? It tastes like lime candy, like something that I like. This is. Let me taste. Got one more. They gave us 5 pieces.
It's actually good.
Good.
It's good.
I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. I'm just gonna get rid of it.
I like it.
But it's actually a good candy.
I like it. Hazel likes it.
Thumbs up, Hazel.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Maya
thumbs
doesn't like
down.
it.
Thumbs up for me.
They likes it.
It looks disgusting.
All right, the very last candy in the box.
The last candy, Hazel.
It's this.
Give it to Daddy.
Okay, the last candy that Hazel selected was a cranberry bog frogs. It's called cranberry bog frogs, sweetened dry cranberries and roasted cashews, smothered with rich caramel and premium milk chocolate. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the candy looks like from
Yeah,
the
it's
picture on the box.
Cashews.
Wait, what
Get
is
you in
that?
focus. There you go. Got that in
Where's
focus for you guys to see it.
It's like
Yeah, see
cashews
that?
is another form
It's more. It look like a chocolate turtle, a turtle candy.
Yeah.
So yes, we're gonna see.
This is from Massachusetts. It's named for the frog that inhabits the cranberry
Samaya's
bogs.
allergic to nuts, so she's not gonna eat any. But the
So
rest
it's
of
enough
us,
for us.
we'll just divide them.
Yep.
I'm a big fan of cranberry. I love cranberry,
I do
dry
too.
cranberry, so I will destroy them.
I eat them.
So I'm going to take the one with the biggest cranberry and set it to the side for myself.
Of course. Of course you will.
Here you go.
Hazel.
Hazel and honey bun.
Honey bun.
Yeah, okay. So like a little caramel bit.
Okay, it's good. I like all of it.
Okay.
I like all of it.
Sorry.
Definitely. If you're a fan of chocolate,
Caramel.
I know women will love this. It's caramel and chocolate.
It's
It tastes
like a turtle.
tastes like a turtle and a Valentine's Day candy all together.
Okay, guys. So the very, very last thing is a drink. It comes with a drink this time.
This is
Oh,
called
it's not
a Bernard's ginger soda. 12 ounces. Authentic, bold taste. I get that in
It's
focus.
a drink from Michigan. And it's one of the oldest sodas in America. And it's been following 7-Eleven for ever since 7-Eleven was invented. And it's a ginger ale. So
It looks like
you can just sip first.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Give it a try, y'all.
How you like it?
And I'll just take a little waterfall sip.
There you go.
Thank you, Papa.
Go ahead and drink it. Taste it. Taste it. It tastes like Sprite.
Okay, here we go.
Taste it first.
Oh, I see why Hazel's having a hard time with it.
The smell.
It smells. Smell it in the cup.
Woo!
Yeah, I thought she was overreacting, but she's
Like
not.
the acid hits your nose, and it tastes. I mean.
Nope.
Let me see.
Nope.
It's very gingery.
Yeah.
The ginger in it is very strong.
Thumbs down for me. Hazel.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Maya?
Thumbs up.
Yep, they like it. I don't.
All right. Okay, guys. So are your bellies full of junk food?
No.
They want to finish it off camera.
I want to finish
So
that.
now that concludes our
Snack crate video.
snack crate video.
Go
We're
watch
done.
Korean.
We'll wrap it up.
Like and subscribe to our channel, please. Follow us. A lot more videos to come.
Until then, we are the Shepherds Blended
Blended
Family. Deuces.